What's up everyone, how are you doing? In today's video we will learn to create an application which split a particular PDF to multiple pages. So let us first start and select the source document. I will select this output1.pdf. See, when I select the source PDF, the number of page, start page and from page and to page automatically comes here. Okay, so now we go to the browse and select the target folder. So I click on OK. Now let us first export each and every page. One, split PDF, split up PDF completed successfully. Okay, so here you can see it already came here. Okay, so output 1_1 output, name of the source file is output1. So 1_1, 1_2, and you go along here, we have all till 253. Now let me show you the documents. First we will go here and we will check our source document. This is our source document, output1. If you open this, we have from 1 to page 253. So this file has been splitted. Now go here, output 1_1, first page, 6, let us check the 6th page. Okay, so go up, check any other page. So this, we have all the 253 pages splitted to 253 documents. Select our source document, select the target folder, make it suppose 180 to 196, split, done. You can already say here it is from 180 to 196. Got it? Now let us go here and check again. We have 180 to 196. Got it? So this is how the program works. Now let us go through the program. So what I have done, I will summarize this. Every text box and this button is within, we have within one frame. We have this text box and this button in another frame. We have from page label, from page text box, 2-page label and 2-page text box inside another frame. We have split PDF in one frame with the button, and we in this frame we have the progress bar. So let us first see src PDF file txt frame. This is this outer frame. If you see the caption here, source PDF file. Next we have the entry. This is the entry one. Now see, for this entry the root parent is src PDF file txt frame. So here we have the entry box here, and for this entry box we have something called text variable, which is self.sourcePDF file name. If you go up, you can see we have this source PDF file name string var. This is bound to this entry box, this one. Then we have target PDF folder path. This is bind to, attached to this browse PDF target folder entry box. Self.fromPage int var, this is bound to this from page entry box, and self.toPage is bound to this one. Now go downwards. We have created the entry box. This is the source PDF btn button. This is open PDF. You can see the caption here, text open PDF, and this is actually the command used here is open source PDF file. So let us go to the open source PDF file. So when you click on this, I am using the file dialog. If you go here, we have tkinter import file dialog. So we have taken imported file dialog. Now in that file dialog we have something called ask open file name. So here what I am doing, I am opening an existing PDF document. So I am using ask open file name. I have given the default extension .pdf and file types is start.pdf, PDF files. Okay, So it returns name of the file with its absolute path. So the file name is assigned here with absolute path. Now what I'm doing, I'm setting the source PDF file name dot set equal to PDF file. So whenever this happens, this happens actually. I select it, this comes. So with this, what I did, I opened it. So why I opened this document here? I opened it not to split it, but I opened this just to get the page count. Okay. So when you do fields.open with the file name path, you have to use for string var, you have to use the .get, and then there is a for when it return this open returns, there is an attribute called page count. This page count returns the number of pages. Now I close the document, and I already told you that we have two text variable. One is from page and one is to page. So I set the from page to 1 starting from page 1, and for the to page I set it to src pdf 2 pages. So this gives the maximum page count. That's the 2 page count. This is what open source PDF file function does. Now let us go to the next one. This is done. Now we have trg means target, dir txt frame. I have created a frame. So this is the frame, the next frame. Here I have one entry box. Now this entry box, it is the rule, the parent of it is trg dir txt frame, and we have a browse button which has a command open directory. This is also within this frame, right after this. So here you see we have the entry box. After that we have the browse button. For grid, here see we have row 0 column 0 and we have row 0 column 1. That means the top position is same, but the browse button is placed on column 1. That means this is on column 0 and this is on column 1, browse button. Okay, so when you click on this, the open directory is been this function has been called. So let us go here and select the directory. I will select this directory. Okay, so let's come here. Directory path equal to file dialog dot ask directory to open the dialog box for the selecting the folder. Then if I actually selected something, I already told you we have a target PDF folder path. I set its value to the directory path. Here we have created one frame. Okay, and on that frame we have put four items. One label, what label? From page. So if you see this label from page, this is the label, first one. Now it's grid. If you check the grid, grid is row 0 column 0. Next we go to the entry. So this is txt from page, entry. Now what it is grid? It is grid is row 0 column 1. That means just the next one. Then we have label, another label which is the text is 2 page. You can see the 2 page here. And after that we have another entry input box whose text variable is 2 page and state normal, and its grid is row 0 column 3. Now if you say this is row 0 column 0, this is row 0 column 1, this is row 0 column 2, and this is row 0 column 3. Okay, so now how this page number filter is configured, and we have put here a validate page. Now what this validate page do? It checks if the from page is greater than 2 page. That is not possible. 2 page from page will always less than equal to 2 page. Or the value of the from page is less than 0, or value of 2 page is less than equal to 0. Then what happens? Self dot from page 1. I do just reset it to the original. Open output 1.pdf, open folder. Now just change it to -1. See, we have reset it to 1 to 253. Suppose we delete this and make it -2. Understood? So it is reset to its original. So this is what this function does. So what it actually checks, let us go how it is checking. Here we have something called from page dot bind and to page txt from page dot bind and txt to page dot bind. it looks for an event called focus out. So whenever the text box loses focus, it checks for this validation. Now let us go to the splitPDF. So let us go up and check. This is the splitPDF button. Now the command is self.splitPDF files. Okay, so let us just go into the splitPDF and check that how the PDF split is working. In case of reading the page number, we have opened the document with fields, assign it to input PDF. So what will be the maximum? See, we have to split it from page number to page number. So here I will do self.toPageNo.get 0 minus self.fromPageNo.get plus 1. So okay, suppose it is 1 to 25. So there are total 25 pages. So you do 25 minus 1, that is 24 page will come. So you have to add 1. Got it? So I get the maximum value of the progress bar. I set the initial value of the progress bar to 0. Now I run a loop where I take a variable called page index and I create a range from PageNo to PageNo. Now I again open a new document without any name, that is target equal to fields.open. Now in the target I insert the particular page number, that is from page is equal to page index, to page equal to page index. Here what I am doing, from page and to page is always same. The concept here is in insert page, you put the original document input PDF, source PDF. Okay, it is reading from here. The from page here is the current page while it is reading. To page is also the current page. Got it? So I am inserting, suppose it is 1. So from page equal to 1, to page equal to 1. It will create a output file path. Now in this output file, how I am setting the file name? I am getting the file name from the source file name. So if you go here, you can see I am checking in the file name whether we have a dot and we have a slash. Okay, so first what I am doing, I am slicing the string with slash, and if you slice the string with slash and if you take the last value of the list, you will get the file name. So until this, and if you take the index 0, we get the abc.pdf. Now that abc.pdf, just split it with dot. So if you split it with dot, what you get? You get one list value as abc, another as pdf. Got it? Now take the first one, index 0. So if you take the index 0, you will get the file name. So I'm getting this file name here. With that file name, I am concatenating with underscore page index plus 1. Got it? I've already inserted the PDF. I have created the path. I'm saving the target with that file name. Then I'm closing the target. After this, that means one page is splitted and saved into the disk. So if you just increment the PV value with 1. So after this completed, okay, all the target PDF is saved. You give a message box. Okay, here title is success, split of PDF completed successfully, and you reset everything to its original. So that's all about this video. Okay, hope you like it. And if you have any doubt on any section of the code, I will share this in my GitHub link. You can download it from there. If you have any doubt on any portion of the code, please comment me and ask me question. I'll get back to you and I'll try to explain everything to you. So if you like this video, please like and share, and also to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.